Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I hope that you will see something that you like, stick around and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell because I do not have a whole bunch of subscribers. My videos do not get suggested. So if you do want to watch my videos, please hit that subscriber or the notification bell thing. So today we are doing an unboxing. Of course we are. But I wanted to bring up just a couple things. I did do the color in the bottom of my hair. Really cute. I love it. It is the Moroccan oil stuff. I also used the curlers that you sleep in. So I will actually grab those for tomorrow's video. I think it's tomorrow's video, which is the last of my Sephora haul. But I will grab them and put them in that video just so you can see which ones I used. A little uncomfortable at first to sleep in, but it definitely worked. I didn't use any heat to achieve these curls. Super happy about it, loved it. But I will show you that, like I said, in the Sephora order thing video. What I used on my eyes today is this. This is brand new. This will also be in my order, Sephora part 2. But I just wanted to point out that it is making my eye water. I hope it's not this formula because I just got 2 of her palettes. Spoiler, that's going to be in the Sephora part 2 video. But I have a lot of her minis and I don't recall them making my eyes water. But yesterday when I tried the other palette, it made my eye water. Well, the one eye. And then today this eye is watering. And I just hope it's allergies and I hope it's not these palettes because I desperately want to love these palettes, especially how much I paid for them. So anyway, I know I went off on a little bit of a rant there. What we're here for today, super happy. I can't believe it came in this early, you guys. Like my BoxyCharm, well, I just ruined it. My BoxyCharm never comes in this early. It is literally the day after my birthday. So it is May 7th and I will be posting it today because I want to get it out there. Like this is the earliest I've ever gotten my box. So this is the BoxyCharm Premium. It is a $35 a month subscription. And I don't look at spoilers. I look at the things that say like you can get this or you can get that. And of course, most of the time, if I remember, I do the choice. Also, Boxy Pop-Up for Luxe and Premium is on the 11th of May. And for everybody else, it's on the 12th. So remember that. They supposedly have some good stuff coming up in this pop-up. You best believe I'm going to be right there using my birthday money to get some stuff off of there. I'm always there for Boxy Pop-Up though. You guys know I'm out of control. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into the box because I've kept you here for 3 minutes rambling on and you're here to see what's in the premium this month. So I'm excited. All right. And it's a blue box. It's blue premium. All right. So let me scoot this stuff out of the way. And the theme is Mother Nature. Super cute card. I love it. Because Mother's Day is coming up on Sunday. And then it does tell you what your items are and how much they are. So, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I see the product that I wanted. Obviously, I'm not showing you that right now, but I see the product that I wanted. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Happy birthday to me. Okay, so. Oh, sorry about that. There goes the phone. I didn't take it off the hook before I started to film. Sorry. So anyway, the first thing is Baddington. I believe they had lashes for this, but these don't look like lashes. So let's see. Baddington Beauty Powder and Contour Brush Set. Okay. This high performance powder and contour brush set is an excellent addition to your makeup accessories. Experience the transformative power of contouring with the only brush you'll ever need to sculpt, enhance, and define like a pro. $90. And I just dropped it like an idiot. $90. Are they wrapped in gold? Let's see. There's 2 of them. I mean, they are kind of in gold, but $90. You guys, this is like hourglass prices. Oh my gosh, they're so nice though. What? Okay. It has a little dent in it though. Maybe because I just threw it. I don't know. Probably not. I mean, I don't see how that could have done that. Does it have any numbers or names on here? Nope, it just says Baddington. I don't know if my light is gonna let you guys see that. There you go. I don't know if you can, there you go, kind of see it. It is so nice though. It is so soft, you guys. I don't think I'd pay there's no thinking. I would not pay $90 for this. So I'm happy to get it in the box. They are weighted. They're nice. Yeah, I mean, they're beautiful, but $90 beautiful. I'm happy to have them. I'm not even gonna say I'm not. All right, that's a great start. I'm just super excited because I can't believe that I got the box this early. All right, next item is from KVD, and it looks like a liner. Of course there's a black liner. Why wouldn't there be a black liner in a subscription box? Why wouldn't there be? All right, so we have KVD Vegan Beauty Ink Well Liquid Liner, of course. Meet KVD Vegan Beauty's most bulletproof eyeliner yet. Inkwell Liner Super Initiative formula set the bar even higher with extreme long wear and waterproof, transfer-proof, smudge-proof performance, all in a spectrum of highly pigmented shades for one swipe matte opacity with no layering needed. This formula of the future features weightless flex technology to lock in quick drying color that moves with your skin for a finish that doesn't fade or crack. Valued at $20. Now I do, oh, it's not blue. It's not blue, you guys, it's not blue. What? Inkwell Dark Wave. So Dark Wave is the color. It's not, is this the best birthday like gift ever? What? It's not a black liner. You gotta be kidding me. But anyway, like I was gonna say, I like her tattoo liner. Okay, this is one of the ones in the pot. And I really do love that. Look, it's got a little shaker in there. So that's what it looks like. I've seen these on the sales section on Sephora, and I almost got the red one. So, let's see. I'm excited, and it's waterproof. So maybe when my eye starts watering like it is, that it won't be so bad. All right, so there's the brush. Nice, thin little brush. And then, let's see, can you guys see? That's not bad at all. All right, so there's the two swipes that I just did. Very thin swipes. Does kind of smell painty-ish, but not bad. I think it's really sleek and pretty. I like that a lot, actually. And it's blue, it's not black. What? Okay, moving on. Next product. What the heck? This is the best premium box ever, you guys. The best premium box that I've ever received. I mean, this is even taking the Fenty Beauty box down. Like, this is great. All right, so we have a Milk Makeup product. Milk Makeup Glow Oil Lip and Cheek. A sheer shimmering mini lip and cheek tint for a lit from within glow on the go. Antioxidant rich rice bran oil provides skin with a surge of hydration and vitamins for an instant good for you glow. Wear it on your cheeks as a glowy blush or lips as a popsicle stain. Color payoff builds as you swipe. Mini size, fits in your bag, pocket, tiny apartment, and it's valued at $15. I wanted to try one of these, so again, this is an amazing box. Like, I am so happy. Like, did they know it's my birthday and they wanted to give me a great box? Probably not. So here is the inside packaging. I love their products. I do, like, matter of fact, yeah, it's right here. Their blurring stick I have right here in front of me. I use it a lot. I think that's the only thing I have, though. There's right there on my mirror. Let's see. What's the color? Astro. Get it open. And it has a little cover thingy that I can't get off because I'm not used to wearing nails. Okay. So there's what it looks like. Very shiny. And then, oh, it's very like shimmery for sure. There you go. That's really pretty though. Doesn't have a smell, but okay. And there's a lot of product in there. Like the tube is down to there, as you can see. So that's quite a bit actually of product. Although I thought BoxyCharm was supposed to have all full-size products. But I'm not complaining, not complaining. All right, next item. What is this? What? Another pretty good name brand here. we've got Sugar Rush, which is Tarte's sister brand. And this is Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. What? Okay. So Tarte Sugar Rush Best Bud Lip Butter Balm. You have the real MVP, most valuable pout with this hydrating butter lip balm. Your lips will look as good as your perfectly curated IG feed, valued at $12. I don't think I've had, and it's in shade Peony. I don't think I've had any of Sugar Rush's products, but I love Tarte. What's so cute? The packaging is adorable. Oh my gosh, and it gets even better, you guys. Look at the flower on the top of this as the lid. Packaging is everything. Everything. Oh, and it smells so good. Oh, it smells like a candy. It just smells so good. Wow. No need to swatch this because it's just a balm, but that is amazing. That is so cute. Okay. Oh my gosh, they can't do no wrong, this box. 2 more items left, and I can't believe that I got two palettes. So the first palette is from Smashbox. I do have 2 of these Cover Shot palettes, and they do work nicely. I like them. They're not my go-tos, but I do like them, and I like that I got a neutral kind of color. So this is Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. This ultra portable mini eye palette was formulated to complement all skin tones and deliver an instantly contoured eye. Use this color coordinated trio to easily create day to night looks valued at $23. And like I said, they are good. And this one is Holy Crop, and it's got Miss Chili, Outfoxed, and Lingerie. I'll swatch them for you really quickly. They do look like a little camera lens. It's so cute. And then I think it doesn't twist. I think it just opens up. Yeah, I was gonna say, it doesn't twist off like a camera lens. It opens up. So there are your colors, and we'll do a quick swatch of them. They're very creamy, very nice. So we've got, and these are all one swipe. So the last 3 down here, this one probably could use some more. Let me see if I can build it up just a little bit with what's on my hand so you can see it. So there's that one, that, and that. Let's see, build them up with what's left and try to smooth them out so you can see. There you go. Very pretty, very pigmented. That's gonna be a beautiful palette. I'll wipe it here on the foam. All right, and the last item, you guys, all gone, empty. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I wanted this so bad. If you guys watch my channel, you will know that I love Too Faced products. And I got the Too Faced Natural Matte Eyeshadow Palette. You guys, I've wanted this for a while, and I'm so glad it's in this box. So we have Too Faced Cosmetics Natural Eyes Neutral Eyeshadow Palette. The beloved palette has been updated with Too Faced exclusive coconut butter infused formula for creamier and more comfortable wear. Achieve endless, naturally sexy looks with 9 matte, satin, and shimmer shadows in the neutral palette of your dreams. Valued at $38. Look at how pretty the packaging is. Just the packaging, and then you pull it up, get that outer part, and it's just in a gold little leaflet. It's extra, but I love it. And then here is the palette, and it does come with the leaflet to tell you, you know, how different eye looks or whatever. And then there is the beautiful palette that it is. And then there's the back. And then when you open it, I'm sure it has a gorgeous smell. Oh, it smells so good. Has the mirror, and then there are your colors. So we'll go ahead and do some swatches here. We're gonna do these light colors first, and they're pretty much made to go, you know, look, look, look. But it's awesome. So there are the light, like highlighter shade colors right there. And then we're gonna go, I'm just going down this way to show you the colors, just to do the swatches. They're so creamy, So pigmented. These are all one swipe swatches. And then the last row are the darker ones. They're so soft. I'm so happy to get this. There you go. That one kind of didn't come out too good, but it did skip. There we go. Looks good. So there are your colors for the natural matte palette. All you have to do is use these as a base and pop a shimmer on your lid and you're good. This is amazing. I'm so happy. So let's recap our box. I'm super excited. Just so you know, if you wanted to see, my variation is 48. I don't know if you can see that, but that is my variation. And our recap, $90 brushes, like seriously. We have the not Kat Von D, I'm sure everybody's gonna say that, KVD liquid liner. We have the Smashbox that I just almost threw on the floor, eyeshadow cover shot palette. We have the Milk Makeup lip and cheek stain tint, whatever. Beautiful, beautiful Sugar Rush lip balm. And of course, the Natural Eyes Too Faced palette. You guys, I'm so happy. This is an amazing box. So far my favorite. Like, this is my favorite box that I've received from Boxy Premium, hands down. Let me know, please, what you guys got. I'm really interested. I love watching or reading what you guys got and comparing things. Do you guys feel like I feel about this box? Do you think it's a really good box, or am I just weird? Probably just weird, but I'm super happy about it. But anyway, thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you. Don't forget to leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. It means the world to me. And have a great birthday present. So thank you for being here. You guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.